In this video, I'll show you how to add avatar as your WhatsApp profile picture. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap Avatar from the list of options. Tap Create Profile Photo. Choose your avatar pose, adjust it, and tap Done. And that's it. Your WhatsApp avatar is now set as your profile picture. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.